25 crores worth of property locked away for 10 years. Why? Because Aditya's father passed away without leaving behind a will. The consequences? Mounting legal fees and years of emotional stress for the entire family. Hi, I'm Advocate Arushi, a legal expert at GG Tax, and today we'll unravel the facts you need to know about wills. If you want to make sure your loved ones never face such troubles, stay tuned until the end. This video is for you. A will is a simple legal document where you, the testator, declares how your assets, your properties, bank balances, jewelry, business assets should be distributed after your lifetime. For example, if Mr. Sharma owns a flat, an FD and some gold, he can use his will to say the flat goes to his wife, the FD goes to his son, and the gold goes to his daughter. Simple, clear, and legally binding. Why does everyone need a will? To avoid family fights, for legal clarity, for financial security, for speedy transfer, and for peace of mind. So how do you make a will? It's truly simple. You can use a plain paper as no stamp paper is required. Clearly list all assets and beneficiaries for which you might be liable. Sign it in front of two witnesses, preferably not family, and register at your local sub-registrar's office for added safety. For the second step, you can just download Uniqey by JJ Tax, a smarter digital way to draft and secure your will. Need help? Book a free 15-minute call with us today. Here's what really matters. A will isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone with 10 lakhs or 10 crores. Don't wait for a crisis. Protect your family from uncertainty, conflict, and court cases. Make your will today and secure their tomorrow. Found this video helpful? Tap like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips. Got questions or want a full step-by-step will-making guide? Drop a comment below.